Welcome to Osteo and Physio YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at the best exercises to deal with acute lower back pain. The first exercise for the acute lower back pain series are knee sways. This is a great exercise if you're finding that you're struggling to move and the back is spasming. What you want to do is lie on your back with a pillow underneath your neck, bringing the knees up and gently allowing the feet to rest on the floor. What we want to aim to do is gently let the knees sway side to side. This is aiming at increasing range of motion and mobility into the lower spine, softening through the postural muscles that have tightened up, as well as allowing movement to be reintroduced into the lower spine. We want to aim to do this between 1 to 2 minutes. The next exercise are knee hugs. The aim of this exercise is to decompress through the lower spine. Due to the acuteness of the lower back, we want to bring up one leg at a time, gently pulsing at end range for a couple of pulses and then relaxing the leg back down. What this is starting to do is decompress and take a little bit of flexion into that lower spine, as well as moving through the pelvis. We're aiming to repeat this about 10 to 15 times on each side. Again, the range is determined by how it feels. If it's too much bringing the leg up, just reduce the range of motion. The next exercise is looking at gentle side bending through the lower spine. The aim of this is to gently allow the body to move side to side. What this is doing is taking the joints and the discs into a side bending motion, whilst fixing the core nice and tight and stretching up through the body. We want to aim to do this gently each side for about a couple of minutes. If it is tender or painful as you're moving through, you want to continue the movement, but you want to reduce the range. Finally, we're looking at getting comfortable. This is demonstrating a really nice way to relax when resting with an acute spasm in the lower back. You want to aim to be in side lying position with a pillow between the knees, allowing the body to relax. Finally, walking is absolutely vital for acute lower spine. This increases movement and allows blood to get into the area to help with recovery.